Ricotta cheese. When you're in the mood for a good Italian lasagna, it's a given that you'll need to buy commercial ricotta, but you can actually make it at home with just a few ingredients: whole milk, heavy cream, citric acid, which is used to curdle the milk and can be found in most stores in the spice aisle, and a good quality sea salt. It's easier than you might think, and once you've mastered it, you'll never have to run to the store again for this specialty item. Bravo! Your homemade ricotta will remain fresh when stored in the refrigerator for about 1 week. Buon appetito! If you would like to see more recipes, subscribe to my socials and check out my book, which is available at all great bookstores and online at Amazon. For the full recipe, click the link below. Making global cuisine halal.